In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Google Play Beta on your PC. This will let you play select Android games from the Play Store using a keyboard, mouse, or Xbox controller. Your progress will sync across devices, so you can switch between PC and mobile without losing any data. First, go to play.google.com, link in the description. Before downloading, let's check the system requirements. Minimum system requirements. Storage. At least 10 gigabytes of SSD space graphics. Intel UHD graphics, 630 or better. Dedicated GPU recommended. CPU. Minimum of 4 cores. Some games may require Intel processors. RAM. At least 8 gigabytes. Windows admin account is required. Hardware virtualization must be enabled. If your PC meets these requirements, go ahead and download the installer. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation process. Select the installation location. By default, it installs on the C drive. Click Install and allow any permissions if prompted. Sign in with your Google account, or create one if needed. Confirm your profile and accept the terms. Some users may receive a message stating that hardware virtualization is not enabled. If that happens, you need to activate hardware virtualization. Simply search on YouTube for how to enable it on your motherboard, HP, Dell, MSI. Now that everything is set up, let's install some games. Search for a game like Free Fire and click Install. If no errors appear, the game will begin downloading. To see your installed games, click on the Library tab. Installed games will have a play icon next to them. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. A link to Google Play Games is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.